welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will be showing you how to bake juicy barbecue chicken. Let's get started. The ingredients are 2-pound chicken thighs, 1 onion cut, 1 tomato, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 stalks of scallion, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons chicken seasoning, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon Sazon, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon black pepper. Now I will cut my onion, tomato, pepper, mashed scallion, add to the chicken, one tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons chicken seasonings, half teaspoon total seasoning, two tablespoons, 1 teaspoon Sazon, half teaspoon black pepper, and half teaspoon salt. Now let's get all the seasonings in the chicken. Now I will cover and marinate for 2 hours before baking. Hi guys, welcome back. Now that my chicken is well seasoned and marinated, I will preheat my oven to 350 degrees, and now I will add pieces of chicken to the pan. Now let's go to the oven, guys. After 20 minutes of baking, I will now flip them over. Now return to the oven. Wow, smells so good. Now I will put back my chicken for another 20 minutes. Now I'm flipping another time, guys. All juicy. Wow. Now I'm returning it to the oven. Now I'm flipping for the last time. Smells real good, all smoky. Wow, all juicy, guys. Now I will put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes while I make my barbecue sauce. Now to make my sauce, I will add 6 cups of sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And 6 tablespoons honey. Now I will bring to boil. Continue mixing. Taste. Delicious. Wow. Now I will turn my heat off. So good. So good. Now I will pour my sauce into a bowl. And dip. And dip pieces of chicken. Wow, I can smell the smoked paprika. So here you go, guys. Beautiful. Please let me know what you think. Leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe.